This video will demonstrate how to replace the turbine within your home's Mow & Flow Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Mow & recommends using adjustable pliers, needle nose pliers, an adjustable wrench, NSF 61 grease pack, and safety glasses. Before getting started, open your Mow & Smart Water app and make note of the pressure. Locate and turn off the main water supply valve. Drain water from the highest flow rate fixture at the highest point in the house. Then open all other faucets to further reduce the water pressure. Leave the fixtures in the open position during installation. Check the flow device pressure reading. It should read near zero pressure. Compare this pressure against your initial app reading. A pressure reading up to 10 psi is to be expected. Place a bucket under the device to catch any water draining from the lines. Disconnect the power from the flow device. Unscrew the union nuts on both sides of the flow device using channel lock pliers for the 3/4 inch or 1 inch versions, or an adjustable wrench for the 1 1/4 inch version. Remove the flow device from the water line. Discard the O-rings from the inlet and outlet of the device. Then, using needle nose pliers to grip one of the vanes, gently pull out the existing turbine outlet. Once the vane is removed, the turbine will be loose and fall out when the flow device is tipped over. Inspect the inside surfaces to ensure they are clean and free of residue or debris. Insert the new turbine. Then you will replace the turbine outlet. Make sure that the outlet is seated completely against the outlet tube. Make sure the flow arrow is oriented in the correct direction. Apply grease and install the O-rings, ensuring they are seated properly to fit snug into the grooves to prevent unintentional leaks. Inspect the inside surfaces to ensure they are clean and free of residue or debris. Hold the Mow & Smart Water Shutoff device in line with the water main and tighten both union nuts. Using a pair of adjustable wrenches or pliers, tighten the union nuts up to an additional 1/4 turn. Do not over-tighten. Plug the power adapter into the outlet. Plug the power supply into the module and twist while pushing to create a secure connection. The status and valve light will turn on, and then the valve light will turn green. Slowly open the main water shutoff partially and verify there are not drips or leaks coming from the installation connections. If there are none, slowly open the main water shutoff fully. After the air on the line is flushed out, close all opened fixtures in the house, starting with the fixtures in the lowest point of the home and ending with the fixtures in the highest point. Open the Mow & app and click on your device. Be sure all fixtures are off and tap Run Health Test. If the leak is identified at this stage, it is likely a leaky toilet or water fixture that needs tightening. After running your first health test, the system will start in learning mode to learn the home's water habits before being set in home mode. Congratulations! Your installation is complete.